Sneezing can be a real nuisance, but there are effective ways to keep it at bay. First, identify your triggers, dust, pollen, or pet dander, and avoid them whenever possible, even light. Using an air purifier, air filters in your AC or furnace and change them often can make a big difference. Over-the-counter nasal sprays and antihistamines are great for tackling allergy symptoms. And don't forget to wash your hands and nose sinuses frequently to keep germs away. Home remedies like warm water with honey can soothe your nasal passages too. Remember, managing stress and getting enough sleep can also help reduce sneezing. If you feel a sneeze coming on, cover up with a tissue. And blow or pinch your nose, can't try to avoid sneezing. If it persists, consulting a healthcare professional is key to preventing